Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Soluble Tutor. In today's video, we'll be discussing about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds. They are organic compounds that contains only carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. That's why we have the name hydrocarbons. The name hydrocarbons. Okay. Now, it contains three main groups. The first one is the alkane. That is namely alkane, the alkanes, and the alkynes. Okay. What are the major differences in these three? The first difference is that this one contains ANE. This contains ENE, and this contains YNE. Alkanes. Let's talk about their formula. Okay, number of carbons. We have the alkanes. Okay, they have a general formula. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Don't worry, this we understand as we go on. CnH2n plus 2. So alkanes. This one, they have the general formula H2n, CnH2n. So I roll it down also. Okay. And the third one, we have the alkynes. This one have CnH2n minus 2. Because this one, they contain carbon to carbon single bond. When we get to structural formula, you understand what I'm saying about this. Carbon to carbon single bond. So you have to stick around. We also get to the structural formula where we explain the structure of each and every one of them. Okay, so this carbon to carbon single bond, this one have carbon to carbon double bond, this one they have carbon to carbon triple bond. You can see 1, 2, 3 triple bond, this one 1, 2, and this one 1. Okay, so let's dive in. The first one here, we have one carbon, just one. What are we expected to see? We call it met. Met is the first name for the first carbon here. And we finish it with ANE. That's methane. Why are we putting ANE? Because this one is also having ANE. Okay? Methane. In the structural formula, in the molecular formula, sorry to say, this one is one carbon. We have to put one carbon here. That will be C1. Okay? Because 1 is negligible, we can write it as C. Okay? 1 should be here. 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 2, that should be 4. So CH4. You see there. So this is the first. This one, they have no first. I will explain that later when we get to structural formula. This one, they don't have any for the first. I will also explain that. And you understand it perfectly. So there's no cause for alarm. Let's go to the second one here. Second. For the second, we have X. Under the X, we also finish it with ANE, that is ethane. In the ethane, this carbon, there will be 2 here, so C2H, this is 2 also, 2 times 2 because this 2, carbon 2, we have to put here 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 2, that should be 6, okay? That's how it goes. So coming here, this one will be X. Now, instead of finishing with ANE there, okay, instead of ANE, the suffix will now be ENE. That's Ene. So ethane. In this ethane, we have 2 to be here, which is C2. C2. Now this should be 2. 2 times 2, that's 4. C2H4. That's how the structure is. C2H4. Okay. Going to this, we have Earth as usual. We have Earth. Okay. Earth. We finish it with Yne. Finish it with Yne. That's ethyl. Okay. We want to give the molecular formula there. Now this is substituted by 2. So that will be C2. 2 times 2. That's H4. 4 minus 2. That should be 2. That's C2H2. So in order not to waste your time, I will do for the others from number 1 to 10. Okay. Now, checking through this, see that the third carbon is propane. Third carbon is propane. Prop. This is also prop. This is also prop. Okay. But Ane, since it's under alkane, and it's C3, because this should be 3. Now, 2 times 3, that's 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. So that's how it goes. This is propane, propyl. This is butane, butane, butyl. Pentane, because when it is 5, it is pent. When it is 5, it is pent, pentane, pentene, pentyl. When it is 6, it is hexene, hexene, hexyne. When it is 7, it is heptane, hept for 7, heptane, heptene, heptyl. When it is 8, that's octane, octane, octyl. When it is 9, it is nonane, nonene, and nonine. When it is 10, it is decane, decene, and decyl. Now, these are the molecular formulas for alkane. These are the molecular formulas for alkenes, and these are the molecular formulas for alkyne. Now, the next thing for us is to go to structural formula. In the structural formula, we understand how this carbon and hydrogen will be arranged. Since when you have a carbon, it has 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds must surround carbon. When 4 bonds surround carbon, what are we supposed to do? We fill it with hydrogen, because we are talking about alkanes as hydrocarbon. As what? Hydrocarbons. That is hydrogen and carbon alone. So we have 1 hydrogen here, another hydrogen here, another hydrogen here, another hydrogen here. Now, because it contains 1 carbon, it is known as methane. And from the molecular formula, you see that this one is also C. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4. H4. Okay. So let's take another one of 2 carbons. Now look at it. We have 1 carbon here. Okay. Single bond to another carbon. As this is now, this carbon must have 4 bonds. Now, if you close it like this, you understand that this carbon already has a bond. Okay, already has a bond. So many bond remains? It has a bond here, so it remains this 1, 2, 3, and 4. We fill it with hydrogen. Okay, fill it with hydrogen. Now, covering this side, you see that this carbon also possesses 1 bond already. So let's finish it off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we fill it up with hydrogen. Now, filling this up with hydrogen. How many carbons do you have? 1, 2. When you have 2 carbons under alkanes, what do you call it? That's eth. So this is called ethane. Okay? This is called ethane. How many carbons? 1, 2. So you have C2. Now, how many hydrogen? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. H6. If we verify this, Using this molecular formula, when we have carbon which is 2, we put 2 here, that's 2. Now, our carbon is also 2, so 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Are we not correct? Yes, we are very correct. So let's test one more under alkane. And after that, we go to alkane that has carbon to carbon double bond. So let's test one more. I would like to take the carbon that has 5 carbon. Hydrocarbons that have 5 carbons. 1, 2, another single bond, 3, another single bond, 4, another single bond, 5. As usual, let's go on. If we cover this place, cover this, entire this, cover it. Okay, see that our carbon is having a bond. It remains 3 bonds. So 1, 2, 3. So let's fill that up. We have 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we put hydrogen there. Looking at this second carbon, we cover it here, we also cover it here. Look at the carbon is having 2 bonds already. It's having 2 bonds already. And this is 1 and this is 2. So we expected to have 2 more. Now put it here, 1 and 2, to make it 4. The same thing applies to this. Covering this now, it has 2 already. We put 2 more. The same thing applies here. This also has 2 already. It is 1 and 2. We put 2 more. So if we cover this one has only 1. So we have 3 to fill it up. 1, 2, and 3. Now everything has been filled up. How many carbons do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the name? Pentane. Now, once the name is pentane, we have 1, 2. Let's verify the molecular formula now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have C5. Let's count the hydrogen. Let's start from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. C5H12. We need to verify. Now, using the formula CnH2n plus 2. When carbon is 5, it's 5 here, correct? Now, when it is 5 here, 2 times 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, correct? So we have verified and we have given the structural formula for our alkane. Alkenes will be having carbon to carbon double bond. Carbon to carbon double bond. We'll be having carbon to carbon double bond. Okay? And their molecular formula is CnH2n. That of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. But that of alkyne is CnH2n. So I'll just take let's take 2 examples there and see what happens. Now, when you have carbon to carbon double bond, if you cover this, now we're having 2 bonds already, 2 bonds. I have 1 and 2, so it remains only 2 bonds. So we have to put our hydrogen there. Okay. This one also, when we cover it, we have 2 bonds already. 1, 2 attached to this carbon. So it remains 2 bonds. 1, 2. So you have that 2 bonds. Now, we have 2 carbons, which is Earth. Because it has double bond, it finishes with ENE, 18. That shows it has double bond. Okay. Now we go for the molecular formula, the conformation now. 1, 2. That will be C2H, that can be hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's H4. Let's confirm. When carbon is 2, we put 2 here. It's confirmed. We put 2 here. 2 times 2, that's 4. That's correct. Let's check another one. Let's check hexene. 6 carbon. 1, double bond to another carbon, but this time around every other bond will be single. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, checking through this, when we cover this, it means we have 2 bonds already. It remains 2. Okay, we have to put it here. 1 and 2. Just now check this carbon. How many bonds? Cover here, cover here. You can see that it possesses 3 bonds. 3 bonds. That is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it has 3 bonds already. So it remains only 1 to make it 4. Make it 4. So it means it's either we put it up or down. So I decided to put it here. Now, going through that again, you have another one like that. Okay, so there are 2 bonds. So instead we put one up, and put one down. The same thing here as usual. The same thing as usual. But here now, that's 1 bond, it means 3. Okay, it goes like that. So to verify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 6 carbons. So what's the name? That's X. What's the 6? That's double bond. We finish with this. To verify, it is C6H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Verifying it, C6, 2 times 6, that's 12. That's confirmed. Okay, now the alkynes. Alkynes have carbon to carbon triple bond. They have carbon to carbon triple bond. Okay. They have that. We have CnH2n-2 as their molecular formula. So they cover this place. We see that we are having carbon is having 1, 2, 3 already. It's having 1, 2, 3 already. So this is the fourth. So 4 is surrounding it already. The same thing here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is surrounding it. So to confirm 2 carbon, we have 2 hydrogen. So the same thing happens to butyne. But means 1, 2, 3, 4. So butyne, YNE, because there are triple bonds. Checking this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that one is complete. Now checking this also, this carbon is complete already. So you don't need to put any hydrogen here or here, because the bond is 1, 2, 3, 4 surrounding this carbon. This one, it has 2, so we have to put another 2, making 4. This one is also 4. So carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. Hydrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's correct. It's also correct. So thank you for watching and God bless you.